Hey guys, so in today's video, let's take a look at Stick It Mount, which is a very interesting accessory by an Italian company called Dreampick. So according to Dreampick, you can use this mount on any surface that you want, and it doesn't matter whether that's gonna be rough, smooth surface, such as for example wood, glass, stone, rock, whatever. You can mount it almost anywhere. Really? Can you mount it anywhere? Let's find it out. So guys, the whole reason I decided to get this mount is that as soon as I saw it on a Dreampick Instagram account, I was like, wow, this is a really interesting accessory for traveling, when you take stunning time lapses, perhaps you want to find that unique angle. As long as you are creative enough and there is enough flat surface, you practically can stick it to anything. Alright guys, so let's take a look what we have inside. So this is what we have exactly in the package, and as you guys can see, this is a Stick It mount, a device holder and a standard screw. In here, we have replacement pads that can be used with either the device holder or the Stick It mount. So if you lose one of those, you can replace it. Also in the package, we can find 4 plastic covers just to keep our Stick It mount free of any debris and residue. Alright guys, now let's put it together and see how it works. So the way this accessory works is that you stick it to a flat surface, perhaps a wall. As long as there's enough flat surface for you to stick it to it, that should be fine. Then you apply equal amount of pressure on the whole adhesive. Just make sure that you put some pressure on the middle part as well as on the edges. And then you just position your camera to the proper angle that you want and hit the record. Alright, but how do you remove it from a surface? Well, there's a trick to it. Instead of just pulling it from the surface, you have to twist. And after a couple of uses, you will notice that there is some dirt and debris on the adhesive. So if you want to get rid of it, you simply rinse it with water and then cleanse it with your finger. And now let's apply this plastic cover to protect your adhesive from the debris and dirt. So thanks to a GoPro adapter, Stick-It mount is compatible with all GoPros that you have. So it doesn't matter if you have Hero 7, Hero 8 or Hero 9, GoPro Max, or even other action cameras such as a DJI Osmo, etc. So as you guys see, this accessory is really small and compact. You can always disassemble it if you want to travel with it and you want to put it in your camera gear. It doesn't take much space after all. And it's so easy to use because there is no philosophy in it. You just stick it to the surface, attach your GoPro camera or your phone, and you are ready to go. So the whole idea behind this mount is really great, but there is one question remaining. How durable is the adhesive on the Stick-It? So I reached out to Dreampick and they told me that they have customers who use it for almost a year or two and they didn't complain about the durability. As long as you're gonna use it on a smooth surface, the durability shouldn't be a problem. However guys, if you're going to use it on rough surface, sooner or later you will have to replace it because it will get damaged. So it's cool that they provide some spare parts in the package, and even if you lose it, you can order them online on Dreampick website. What's more guys, I think it's gonna be very easy to lose those 4 plastic covers that come in the package. Just because they are transparent, I think it's gonna be super easy to lose them. So this accessory costs around 29 euros. It's a little bit pricey, but as long as you are creative and have some amazing idea with it, you can get stunning results with it, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video for today. That's it. If you like this video and you learned something from it, then give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit that notification button so you don't miss my future content, and see you in the next one. Bye.